Here's how to download Twitter videos. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss any important step. For this, first of all, you need to open your Chrome browser. Now here search for twitter.com. Once it is open, then tap on this search icon and here search for videos. After that, tap here on videos. Now here you can see different videos here. So to download any video, you just need to tap on this share icon at the bottom of that video. Now here tap on copy link to tweet. Once you have copied the link, then open the new tab. Now here search for Twitter video downloader. After that, open this first website sstwitter.com. Once this website is open, now here you need to insert the link of that video. So we will just paste this link here, and after that tap on download button. Now here select the resolution of the video and tap on download. After that your video will start to download, and here you can see it has downloaded. Just tap to open it. Now here as you can see our video has been downloaded. So this was how to download Twitter videos.